Disability Services Office, Kutztown University. Composing discussion posts on D2L using JAWS.
Alt-R.
Hello everyone. Today I will be going over composing discussion posts on D2L. Professors may sometimes post discussion boards where students have to respond to an assigned reading. In order to get to the discussions section of a course, type B for button until you get to Communications button menu.
Homepage the Arts and Pre-K -4 edit. Skitzel mix up Liar admin Communications button menu collapse menu.
This menu is collapsed, so in order to expand it, hit enter and down arrow to Discussions.
Enter. Discussions 2 of 3.
Once on Discussions, hit enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Discussions list the Arts and Pre-K -4 edit. Discussions list the Arts and Pre-K -4 edit.
In order to find a specific discussion board, navigate by heading until you hear the title of the discussion board, followed by heading level 3 link, and hit enter.
This tool week 1 reading response 1 visited heading level 3 link. Enter. Main region week 1 reading response week 1 reading response 1 the Arts and Pre-K -4 edit.
Once here, navigate by heading until you hear the title of the discussion board, followed by heading level 1, down arrow to start a new thread button, and hit enter.
Top week 1 reading response 1 heading level 1 act must start a new thread button. Enter. Main region start a new thread button to activate press enter. Subject edit required.
Now you will be prompted to create a subject for your post. This could be your name or the title of the reading you were assigned, for example. Once finished, tab until you hear Post Frame Rich Text Area.
Post frame rich text area. Press Alt-0 for help.
This is where you can begin writing your response to the discussion question. Once you have finished, tab to Post button and hit enter.
Add a post button to activate press enter.
Once you have submitted your response, your professor and your classmates will be able to see it. This was Composing Discussion Posts on D2L.